3 natural ways to whiten teeth at home. Whiter teeth, like thick, shiny hair, is something that many people in our cosmetically driven world desire today. In fact, Americans spend over $1.4 billion in over-the-counter teeth whitening products every year. That's a good chunk of money just to achieve a different shade of teeth. I'll be the first to admit that I've tried OTC teeth whitener. I even paid to have my dentist do it once. 1 baking soda and lemon juice paste. Baking soda isn't a shocker here. Sodium bicarbonate, its official name, is mildly abrasive, gently scrubbing away surface stains to return teeth to a whiter shade. It's also very alkaline, the opposite of acidic, so I would think if you have a very acidic mouth or eat a lot of acidic food, it could help balance out the pH, which would be useful as acid breaks down enamel. This is strictly speculation on my part. It will also reduce the acidity of the lemon juice, which acts as a natural bleach of sorts. I use a mixture of baking soda and water on some days, and use the lemon juice on others, as I don't want to overdo it. 2 strawberry, salt, and baking soda scrub. Strawberries are high in vitamin C, which can help break down plaque that is causing your teeth to look yellow. It also has an enzyme called malic acid, which may help to remove surface stains. The salt acts as an abrasive portion of the paste, physically scrubbing away stain-causing gunk, and the baking soda is an extra touch that you can choose to leave out if you'd prefer. 3 coconut oil rinse. I know this sounds absolutely mad. I thought it was crazy too when I first read about it, but rinsing your mouth with coconut oil, called oil pulling, is a unique, old remedy that people swear by to help whiten teeth. It doesn't sound like the most pleasant thing in the world, but I actually don't mind the taste, and I think it does make a difference in the color of your teeth. It won't make a difference by bleaching per se, but lauric acid in coconut oil can rid your teeth of bacteria found in plaque that can make them yellow. It is also supposed to promote gum health, and help keep your breath fresh. Teeth whitening tips. 1 routine, set up a routine using these remedies and stick to it, at all costs, to get the most out of them. 2 While not natural per se, using 3%, I repeat, 3%, hydrogen peroxide as a mouth rinse can whiten your teeth through the process of oxidation. It is an active ingredient in many OTC whitening kits, but is oftentimes found in much higher, and expensive, combinations in them. 3 It's fairly common knowledge, and difficult in today's world, but try to avoid dark drinks, such as Coke and coffee that stain your teeth.